Fixed Expressions Quiz 1. Read the sentence and chose the correct fixed expression from the options highlighted in bold text. Number 1. My daughter said I should take my umbrella and blank too. While I was out, it started pouring with rain. A. Just as well. B. Just as good. C. Just as lucky. Answer is letter A. Just as well. Number 2. I can't promise he'll listen to me and change his mind, but I'll A. See what I can do. B. See that I may do. C. See what I will do. Answer is letter A. See what I can do. Number 3. I moved to New York in 2010 and my life has been great. A. Ever after. B. Ever since. C. Ever more. Answer is letter B. Ever since. Number 4. My friends don't believe in life after death. They say there's blank as heaven and hell. A. No true thing. B. No real thing. C. No such thing. Answer is letter C. No such thing. Number 5. I know you don't really like basketball, but we got the tickets for free, so we blank go. A. Should as well. B. Must as well. C. May as well. Answer is letter C. May as well. Number 6. Your family will always be there to help you. Blank. A. No matter what. B. No matter which. C. No matter that. Answer is letter A. Your family will always be there to help you, no matter what. Number 7. I'm cutting down on alcohol, so blank, I'm only drinking light beer. A. From now on. B. For now on. C. Since now on. Answer is letter A. I'm cutting down on alcohol, so from now on, I'm only drinking light beer. Number 8. It's often said that there's a blank between genius and madness. A. A thick line. B. A fine line. C. A long line. Answer is letter A. It's often said that there's a fine line between genius and madness. Number 9. In the village where I grew up, everyone survived by helping blank through the hard times. A. One other. B. One or other. C. One another. Answer is letter C. One another. Number 10, last item. There's only one diving board, but if we blank, diving, everyone will have plenty of dives. A. Take goes. B. Take turns. C. Take twice. Answer is letter B. There's only one diving board, but if we take turns diving, everyone will have plenty of dives. This video ends here about Fixed Expressions Quiz 1. Thanks for watching.